Are you kidding me? The rope broke. Into that box. Hopefully I didn't run it over. Man, come on. I'm in full 4 lock and I can't get traction. Once I get on that lane, I'll be good. Oh. Did I ever say how much I love winter? Alright, this is my fault, but coming up my driveway and I was looking for deer in the food plots, and I usually get a running start here since I didn't plow, so I slid all the way back. I got this in 4-wheel drive now. I got locking rear diff and I locked the front lockers. Let's see what I got to do. I might have to take the buggy off, but I'm going to try to get up this logging road, but I need to straighten out a little, so we'll see what happens here. Yeah, that just made it worse. Yeah, that sucks. Alright. I'm gonna need a better solution. Daggone it. I hate winter sometimes. Alright, there's not exactly room back here to pull off. I mean, that's a straight down ditch, but I don't think I'll flip it backwards. It's possible if I could turn it this way, then I could ride that way over the thing, but we'll see. This is going to be sketchy. And I ain't going to be able to look really where I'm going. Let's see. Alright, plan B. I mean, I know it's going to slide downhill, but winching it, but it might be enough to get me some traction to get going up this hill. It probably wouldn't hurt if I put a couple of rocks in front of these tires. I'll try to dig up a couple. Got to close that gate, and then we'll give it a try. This is why I buy only remotes with both a winch and a hard button. It's worth the extra money when you invest in it. We'll see what happens. All right, I got the remote, 2 blocking rocks. We're gonna put you up here. and we'll see how it's gonna go. Okay, so on my truck, I got a locking rear differential. I engaged that. I went out and manually locked the front hubs, so I should have true four-wheel drive. But I'm gonna be surprised here. This is gonna, I think, work. I figured I'm just gonna pull this Polaris downhill, but let's see how it's gonna go. Are you kidding me? The rope broke. Oh, come on, man. I was surprised it wasn't sliding. It just had a little fold in it. Come on, baby. Get out of the rut here. I don't like the rut. Try a little more. All right, I think I got it. All right, now my plan is to slowly back down and hurry up and cut this, straighten this out, and then I could get down and get a running start. But I can't believe it, man, it did it. That winch pulled this sucker out of a jam. Let me show you how tight it was on this back side. See all that sloppy muck right there, and I actually slid into that dirt pile by that power box. So let's get this disconnected, and we'll try one more thing. All right, now I'm gonna try to carefully work my way backwards, and trust me, she'll start sliding if I get over on that ice. Here we go. Got our lockers all locked in. Oh, this might work. Maybe. I'm hitting that dirt pile there. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh, not yet. Yeah, that's how I was, just sliding away. Just like this. If I can get enough run and start here. I'm on a little bit of a steep ditch over there. Let's see what happens. No, we ain't going nowhere uphill. That's four-wheeling at the rocks. Still blow a tire. Hopefully I didn't run it over. Oh, what a mess, man. Come on, I'm in full four lock. and I can't get traction. Gotta be kidding me. Now I'm kind of sideways, so this might work. Right over the fiber box. Hopefully I don't crush the lid. Right. Sheesh. Alright, we're gonna get run and start. Hopefully we still got internet. Although the boxes are pretty heavy duty. Oh my God, I'm not winning right now, am I? Not winning right now. One more try. Alright, here we go. Got a little bit of asphalt up here. Just that little lane. Once I get on that lane, I'll be good. Go! Get the Polaris back loaded up. Well, I'm glad I'm downhill and I'm on the logging road here, so there's no ice here, just snow. Chuck them rocks back out of the way and heading back uphill. Alright, another Ozark living success. I don't believe I damaged anything. My trailer jackknifed and I think it got my bumper, so that's okay. Winch held up. So now we're almost, you know, to flat ground, but almost in. Another day in the Ozarks.